Welcome to Parking Permits of America. In this tutorial, we're exploring the Blacklisted Vehicles page, a powerful tool for managing restricted vehicles on your property. Let's get started. In the top right corner, you'll find the Add Blacklisted Vehicle button. Clicking this opens a pop-up window where you can add a new vehicle to the blacklist. If you manage multiple properties, you'll first need to select a property from the drop-down to ensure the vehicle is blacklisted under the correct location. Then, simply enter the license plate number of the vehicle you want to block. Once you click Add Vehicle, it will instantly appear in the Blacklisted Vehicles list below. This list makes it easy to track which vehicles have been blacklisted, who added them, and when they were last updated. The status toggle allows you to quickly update a vehicle's restriction with just one click, so you can adjust access as needed without hassle. The Blacklisted Vehicles tool is especially useful for keeping unauthorized or problematic vehicles off your property, whether it's preventing repeat offenders, enforcing parking rules, or responding to resident complaints. With the system in place, you can take action instantly and keep your property's parking under control. And that's it. With the Blacklisted Vehicles tool, managing vehicle restrictions has never been easier. Thanks for watching.